It's your boy Rico Styles back with another Don't Watch Me, Watch My YouTubing right here. Got an unboxing, even already took it out the box and wore it already. I wanted to test it out before I decided to do a review on it. But this is what the box comes with. I don't know if I can open this. Well, this is what the watch comes with. So you got this right here. Got this here. So I bought this on Amazon. They actually had with that Amazon day, like 2 days. So this was on sale for like $60 something. Usually I guess this would cost $110, I believe, or something of that nature. I'm gonna put the link so y'all know where I bought it at. But yeah. So it comes with this right here. This so yeah, so this right here is the watch. And I like about this is that it's automatic, so you can twist it right here to wind it up. See the back? Hold on. So yeah, so it comes with the things to take these out. It was kind of hard to, like, some of these was kind of stuck in there, but anyways, I figured it out. So yeah. And they have different colors too for this watch. So you can get the all silver. They have silver and gold, and I forgot the other one. But yeah, I just bought this. I thought it was kind of fly for the most part, and it was basically a why not buy. I don't really do too many watch reviews like that, especially nothing that's, because I don't even think this is popular like that, so it doesn't even matter. But yeah. And this review is too long. So it's a double clip. All right, it's your boy Styles.